I'm John. This is Sigma Connectivity. Today, I'm here with Paul from Silicon Labs.
Hi, John. Good to be here. Nice to have this conversation with you.
Wonderful to have you here. So you guys, you're one of our strategic partners.
Yeah, we've been working together for over the last 10 years, sort of
Yeah.
on different projects, engaging with different customers on different technology.
So Paul, tell me, what do you guys do at Silicon Labs?
So Silicon Labs is a leading supplier of IoT solutions. We are fully 100% focused on the Internet of Things, a connected world. We're looking to provide compute on the edge through different protocols, connect that sort of data to the customer's back end.
So what's the cool new thing? What are you guys working at right now?
There's a lot of cool stuff happening with IoT. As you know, this is there's always evolving, there's always something new happening. So right now, one of the things that's really hot is channel sounding. What used to be known as high accuracy distance measurement earlier, but now as part of the Bluetooth 6 core spec, channel sounding, which is really indoor positioning.
So how does it work?
What we're looking at is really utilizing the Bluetooth protocol and adding some extensions to it, which would then allow us to be able to use things like the phase of the signals that we're seeing or the time of flight to provide an indication of the distance between two devices, two Bluetooth devices.
Okay, so what accuracy can you expect from a system like this today?
So the accuracies we're looking at the moment are something like plus or minus sort of 50 centimeters, so sub-meter accuracy, which if you compare that to the sort of solutions that have been around historically before this, such as RSSI, is far superior.
How compact is this system?
Well, the good thing with this is it actually comes for free with Bluetooth. I have chips that support channel sounding and chips that don't have that technology capability. But if you're using one of our Bluetooth chips with this technology, you can use it without any additional components. Looking at tags, I mean, this is our dev kit, which is the dual antenna channel sounding ranging board. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually both the solution for channel sounding, but also a debugger as well.
So what is a normal use case? What's real world scenarios do you implement this in?
Lighting, for example, you know where my lights are in a sequence in an office building like this. If I've installed smart lighting in, I know that this light here is only that far away from that light, but 2x from the other light. So you're now starting to understand where lights are positioned, which from, when you're looking at building installation, building management, a lot of time is spent in going around and mapping out where each of the nodes are as you're planning sort of the building spec. Whereas if you can do that sort of very quickly and easily utilizing technology, I mean, you can save on installation cost. The offensive would be, is this object inside the house or outside the house? If it's outside, it can't be used. If it's inside, it can. Am I within the boundaries, acceptable boundaries, to be able to take action on what I'm taking action on? Things like passive entry for vehicles, detecting whether you're coming to the car or going away from the car, those sorts of applications.
So Paul, we have evaluated this. We received dev kits from you guys and looked at the performance, distance, accuracy, ease of implementation, etc. This looks really promising. Is there any kind of challenges that you see?
Adoptance in the handsets will really drive sort of the usability and the access for this technology to people. And that is starting to happen now.
So Paul, the times you and I meet, it's quite high volume projects. It's not 200 devices, it's a few more zeros. So how big do I have to be to reach out to you guys at Silicon Labs and say, hi, hey, I need your stuff?
That's the great thing, we're accessible. So these dev kits are available now online and they're relatively inexpensive. A few tens of dollars. Then we have application notes as well. And then we have a community. We will be there to help customers sort of try these things out and understand sort of how the technology can be used in their application.
So it's going to be really easy for pretty much everyone out there to prototype something on this, make a proof of concept, say, yes, this works. And then they'll come to someone like us when they want to actually industrialize it and make a real product.
Yes. That's a really great point because what we'll do is we'll provide the schematic and the Gerber files for this piece of kit, so people could actually, if they wanted to, look at what we've done and try to emulate that. But as we know, we've talked and worked together for quite some years now. RF is a strange beast and can be quite a challenge at times.
So Paul, we have a long-standing partnership with Silicon Labs and Sigma Connectivity. And for me, one of the values with these kind of partnerships is the deep technical expertise and state-of-the-art technology. When there's something new like this, we are first. So when clients need to build on something new, they can come to us because we have already tried it out, even though there's no products on the market. What are some of the benefits for you guys from partnerships like these?
One of the things we're seeing with IoT is what looks quite simple is actually not. Yeah,
Yeah.
and there's benefit from working in partnerships, whether that's silicon suppliers, working with design houses and partnerships, working with customers together to solve problems, because the problems are not so straightforward anymore. Yeah, and I think it takes a number of different sort of resources, a number of different eyes, and maybe enough experiences to produce what are good quality sort of designs, good quality products.
We've discussed channel sounding, indoor positioning. We have evaluated it in-house. It's super promising. I'm really looking forward to work together with clients on this. Paul, thank you so much for visiting. It's been a pleasure as always. I'm John. This is Sigma Connectivity.